Hello students, now look exercise 9.1 remaining question. Question number 6. Yes, I am reading question number 6. Two complementary angles are x plus 4 and 2x minus 7. Find the value of x. X plus 4 and 2x minus 7. You know about sum of two complementary angle always 90, right? 1x, 2x, 3x plus 4 minus 7 minus 3. 90, 3x equal to 90 minus 3 उधर ले जाइए plus 3. 3x equal to 93. x equal to 93 upon 3. 3 3 जा 3 बन जाए. x equal to 31. This is your answer. Next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. Complete 7. Two supplementary angles are in the ratio 2:7. Question 7. 2:7 multiplied by x. 2x plus 7x equal to 180. Because sum of two supplementary angles always 180. 9x equal to 180. X equal to 180 upon 9. 9 2. X equal to 20. First angle 2x, 2 into 20. This is 40 degree, right? Second 7x. 7 into 20, this is 140, right? After this, look question number 8. Question number 8. Among two supplementary angles, the measure of the longer angle is 44 degree more than the measure of the smaller angle. Find their measures. Question number 8. Let be larger. Let be larger angle is x. A smaller 180 minus x. Difference between two angle x minus 180 minus x. This is 44. Given. Now open the bracket. X minus 180 plus x equal to 44. 2x equal to 44 plus 180. 2x equal to 4, 8 4 12, 1 1 2. X equal to 2 2 4 upon 2. 112 x. Now second question. 180 minus x. 180 minus 112. 12, 10 minus 2 8. 7 minus 1 6. 68 and 1 1 2. This is your right answer. Larger angle is 112, smaller is 68. Right? After this, question number 9. Question 9. If an angle is half of its complementary angle, find the measure of this angle. Let B angle is x. Complementary angle of x is 90 minus x, and given by problem this is 1 by 2 of 90 minus x. Cross multiplication. 2x equal to 90 minus x. Minus x transferred to the right left hand side. 90, 3x equal to 90. X equal to 90 upon 3. 3 3 ja, 30 degree. Second, 90 minus 30. This is 60. So answer is 60 and 30. Right? After this, question number 10. Question 10. Two adjacent angles are in the ratio 5:3 and they together from an angle of 128 degree. 5:3. Let me, this is 5x and this is 3x. 5x plus 3x. Sum is given 128. 8x equal to 1. 8 1 ja, 8 4 ja, 8 6 ja, 48. Angle first 5x, 5 into 16, it will be 80 degree. Second 3x, 3 into 16, it will be 48. Right? After this, question number 11. 11 question, part 1. Question is given this, and this is just like this, and this, right? This angle 41 degree and this angle 105 degree and this angle 130 degree and this is x degree, and you have to find out the value of x. You know about this point, around this point, this is the complete angle, and you know about the complete angle, it will be always 360. So write down x plus 41 plus 105 plus 130 equal to 360 degree. Right? Now solve this question. 41, 105, 130. It will be 276. 360. X equal to 360 minus 276. So it will be 84 degree. Right? Next question. Second part of this question. Second part, just like this. This is given 40 x and 3x. You know this is the linear pair angle. 3x plus x plus 40 equal to 180. Write down linear pair. 3x, 1x, 4x, 180, 40 transfer to the right hand side. It will be 40, 4x equal to 140, x equal to 140 upon 4. 4 3 ja, 4 5 ja. It will be 35. Right? After this third part of this question, third part, just like this. This is 40 and this is 3x minus 10 and this is 2x plus 10. These angles are also linear pair. 2x plus 10 3x minus 10 plus 40 equal to 180 linear pair, right? 2x and 3x 5x plus 10 minus 10 plus 40 180. 5x equal to 180 minus 40. 5x equal to 140. 140 upon 5. 5 to the 10, 5 8s are. So 28 is the right answer. Next question. Question number 12. Question number 12. First question, first part. Just like this. This is x, this is y, this is z, and this is 135. You know y equal to 135 because these angles are vertically opposite. Y equal to 135 vertically opposite, right? X plus z, x plus 135 equal to 180 linear pair, x equal to 180 minus 135, 10 minus 5, 7 minus 3, 45 degree, right? After this, x equal to z equal to 45. Answer. Next question. Part second. This is x and this sine always 90 degree, right? And this is y, this is 31 and this is z, right? So look, 31 plus y plus 90, this is on this straight line, so these angles are linear pair. 31 plus y plus 90, 180, linear pair. Y plus 1, 9, 3, 12, 180, y equal to 180 minus 121. 10 minus 1, 9. 7 minus 2, 5. 59. And y equal to z equal to 59 vertically opposite, right? X equal to 31 vertically opposite and y 59. Z is also 59. This is your answer, right? After this, third part. Third part of this question given this is straight line just like this, and this is a line, and this is another line. This angle, you know, this sine always 90 degree, right angle. And this is x, this is y, and this is z, this is 2x, right? First of all, you know about these angles. At 2x equal to y equal to 2x, vertically opposite, and x plus y plus 90, or you can say x plus y equal to 90 because these angles are complementary. X plus y equal to 90, and you know about y equal to 2x, 2x 90, 3x equal to 90, x equal to 90 upon 3, 3 3s are, x equal to 30, right? X equal to 30, then you can calculate y, x plus y equal to 90, x 30. So y equal to 90 minus 30, y equal to 60 degree, right? Y plus z equal to 180, y plus z equal to 180, and y is given 60 degree, plus z equal to 180, 180 minus 60, so z equal to 120. So final value, x equal to 30, y equal to 60, z equal to 120, right? These your answers. And last question of this exercise 13. Question number 13. In this figure is given just like this, and right here A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, and this is E, and this is F, right? This angle is given 50 degree, and angle EFA, it means this angle, equal to angle AFD, it means this angle. Let be this is x and this is x. So you can calculate these angles. X equal to 50 degree, and you have to calculate which angle. Calculate EFC, right? X equal to 50 degree, and x equal to 50, so you can calculate this angle, x plus EFC plus 50 equal to 180, linear pair, x means 50, angle EFC plus 50 equal to 180, 50 50 100, angle EFC equal to 180 minus 100, it will be 80 degree. This is your answer, right? Thank you.